Alright, what's up, boys? Oh my gosh, I was planning to take this short. Oh man, never mind. I didn't have the time to do it. Sadly, we're not at 1050 years anymore, so I'm not really used to scaling on S100 using this paper account right now. But actually, I'm leading both today. Just all of these LRs. Probably gonna be watching this video after the video I said that reasoning why I stopped for a bit. Honestly, bro, this short looks good. I'm like this. This one's really, I think it's really on the way. It might be a 2 minute, but if we just flush, just look at this flush. Just didn't really have time to put risk here. They have to put the actual dollar amount. If I would risk, I cannot risk 100K. I could really risk 10K. So that's that. But yeah. But going today, looking pretty bullish for me. But we might rebalance to this 4 hour inefficiency because it is still low resistance at some point, but this equal high just looks pretty good to me. If we reject after taking this internal 15-minute intermediate low, I'm anticipating for us to just ran through this LRs we have here. Seems like we're gonna have SMT on those. Totally. This short was banger, guys. Pretty sure this would bang. At this point, they're break even anyways. Don't really mind much. Nothing really much to say, guys. It's pretty much that. Feeding both in there. But I really want to see manipulation on all of this accumulation period here and get some sort of manipulation. We did get the manipulation here, so I want us to distribute here. And if you're going to be truly bullish, you're going to reject from this go higher since we don't really have any hourly to reject from it apart from this actual hourly inversion. But 15 minutes this is a really good place to reject from since it's 15 minutes to get low. But if we don't reject from that, I do believe market will try to find a way to sweep this LR here and take this rebalance this 4 hour huge gap was created last Tuesday. So if we were here, we would be stopped out and break even those. That is unfortunate. Because you're literally 2 points from TP. We might take this inversion though. Might reject him. So what I really want to see here, after the inversion. If I was here, I would have taken this and go break even at the stream at gap here, which was this basically early break even, since we might reject off it. But if the draw liquidity is right, you should go onto this equal lows. So this is break even here. Whatever. Risk free trade. The initial long was, I mean, initial short was like this. This one's a different. Let's go here. The initial short was this. If I did market it, it'd be like this. TP here, dot break even. If I did take this one, this one right here, break even there, initial, literally immediately. So I'm actually gonna see here. This streamer gets heavily rejected and respected. I'll take a long from him. Seriously, I'll take a long from you. This looks better. And it's within my, oh yes, which is this hourly high. Go high, or which is like previous day highs, I think. Close to previous day highs. So are we really going lower? So streaming here. If this stream gets inverse, then sure, shorts are valid. But I do believe we're gonna respect both order flow here and remain bullish. Unless this stream gets disrespected. Guess for 5 minutes not gonna open up any soon. This is being heavily respected in my opinion. If we just close this, clear BE point, perfect long. Alright, I think it's gonna be just shorts. Yeah, that's perfect short right there now. Yeah, that's perfect short. Alright, let's go here. I'm gonna market it. 3 minute inversion, resweep with the highs. This looks phenomenal for me to just not take. Actually, TP here. Alright, this is a 3 minute rate. Alright, it's gonna be this actually make an actual stop loss here. So see this was bang or not. It's gonna let it be. If we're gonna retrace the 3 minute, should be respected. This is the 3 minute inversion. Looking at ES, so the entry was actually here. The fill was there. So 2.3 RF is banks full CP, perfectly below. I said I was looking for longs, but if the 3 minute gets disrespected, that just indicates bullish overflow. I believe that's the case here. Uh, Also said I wanted to take shorts here if ever, if ever, but it's gonna be early break even. Got break even if ever I do to the initial short as well here. This is basically three shorts in the day, and shorts in the initial here got stopped out after being the early edge for like 2 points. Short here, I was honest that it was an early break even because this was a 3 minute here projected from that break even, but wasn't really taken. This one's the actual taken. So let's see if this flushes. It's really perfect for me, even though I was coming bullish in the day. All right, bank CP boys. Just got back in the bank CP. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna be explaining how and why we took this short move. So actually, going to the day, I was pretty bullish, right? Why? Because I really would love to see this average intermediate high to get taken out as it is equal highs, and this all loads liquidity, right? But when market open, we manipulated on this 15-minute intermediate high. This is sorry. Manipulated this 15-minute intermediate high. After manipulating the 15-minute intermediate high, we had a strong bearish reaction. That's why I said I would take this short, but I wasn't ready since this was really out of market open and I was bullish, so I wasn't really anticipating for a really nice short to present itself. If I did take this, this is how it would look like. We stopped out of break even after being edged with like less than 3 points. Now, with the second short of the day, which wasn't really taken, I was really confident that we're gonna just resweep this 930 high and just displace lower. I'm not gonna wait for the first percentage, which is this gap over here, but it's gonna be early break even because there was a 3 minute here until 3 minute. When you tap it, you got break even. So it's like these are like technically forward tested with didn't hit break even. Then this short right here just looks so good. Even though I was really unprepared since I was anticipating for just us to just reject this. But then the last 10 seconds is just really blasting to the 3 minute. So I went in, took it short, and get the executions for transparency. See the execution here. And right, let's remove the labels. You see here, for the 3 minute. Beautiful shorts. Alright, so it's really perfect in my opinion. Overall confluence, we had a 15-minute intermediate high sweep, and then a sweep with like a 930 data wick, which was this after sweeping the strongest placement to the downside with the high snap inversion, we just 3 minute. Took a 3 minute stop loss, just the IVG, the 2.3 RR, just like 3 minute TP. We're up like 18 grand here. Done a day, boys.